What's good, everyone, and welcome to a new video. And if you guys can tell by the title, this car is not working well within these past 3 months. Let's just start off around Christmas time. I got pulled over because I passed this street where there was a sideshow. It ended about like a couple of hours ago, but I was driving through it so I could get home. And the cop pulled me over for my tint and my banner, and also my stickers. So I have to remove these. The window tint has to come like some other day, probably tomorrow. I have to remove this tomorrow. It was kind of ridiculous how he pulled me over for this, but at the same time, I'm glad it's just this compared to like any other mods and everything. So it was just a fix-it ticket. And he was just saying like, oh, now the front tints in California are illegal. I was like, what the fuck? Okay, so I guess they're illegal, I guess. And overall, he's okay with everything else. He made me pop up the hood and try and check if I have any illegal mods or anything like that. But he did take a picture of my car and the banner because he wanted for like reference for the police or something. That kind of ridiculous, but oops, not this door. I have to go remove it, so I have my goo gun and soap and water and a blade, so I just gotta remove this shit. So it's kind of sad. The second thing that really came up just today was that California in 2019 they're gonna be passing a law on the exhaust, which means the sound. They're gonna pull us over for sound now. And it's kind of fucking stupid. Not to mention that I am gonna stop building the Accord. Like, this is where I'm gonna leave it at, except for like taking off the stickers and everything. Like, I'm gonna be stopping the Accord build. I'm already selling the wheels. Somebody already put a hold on my wheels, so I'm already selling those. And probably by summertime, or by the time I get my get the car, I'm not telling you guys what car I'm gonna be getting. It's kind of like a secret, but if it ends up that car I want, then I will reveal it in the future videos probably. But overall, this car gave me a great run to the platform I built, modifying, and starting Luminous and everything like that. Like, I'll be parting out on this car, especially the coilovers, the lips, and I don't know. I really need to get that exhaust fixed now because it's a stupid law. So it's kind of ridiculous. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, like 2 weeks ago probably, somebody fucking hit my car. Like, this portion right here was in, and like it was so stupid because like I parked the car only for 5 minutes just to go inside to give my mom's friend like something, right? And then I walk back out, I just see this huge ass dent, and I was like, what the fuck? And it was hit and run. The guy fled. I don't know where he went. So yeah, it kind of sucks. So I'm gonna be ending the video here. So I know you guys were subscribed to this channel for like the Accord itself. I really want a coupe, like a coupe so bad. And the only coupe I want is that main car that everyone kind of has. At the same time, it really depends if I actually find one that's actually running and working. Other than that, if that doesn't work, I'll go for another sedan, probably a Lexus. I'm not gonna say what kind. I'm gonna go for another VIP belt, depending if I don't get that. So yeah, I'm still gonna be making videos on how to fix the lip and everything. Other than that, so please subscribe. I'm so sorry that you guys had to hear this. I want to move on to something else and something better. And to you guys who wants dibs on parts, just let me know. So just message me on my Instagram down below. So peace out.